Hey there, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing one of our UL certified compact fanless industrial box PCs, the IPC2610A. Let's take a look. So when you first open the box, this is what it'll look like. There will be a smaller box inside with the accessories. Below that, enclosed in foam, is the 2610A. Let's move the larger box aside for now. Take a look at the accessories. So inside the accessories box, the accessories will be wrapped in bubble wrap. Move that aside for now. So inside here are all the accessories. Lay them out here. So inside you have a wall mounting kit, which are the two plates here. And then with the 3-pin terminal block power connector, there are 4 mounting plate screws. There is also a DIN rail mounting kit, which is right here. And then in this little baggie here are the 2 screws for the DIN rail mounting kit. That's what comes in your accessories. So back in the larger box, let's take out the 2610A. It's enclosed in foam. Let's take it out of the foam. And it's also wrapped in anti-static. Move it from the anti-static. Okay, here is the IPC2610A. It is very small and compact PC. It is also UL certified, like I mentioned earlier. So let's first go to the front I/O here. And in the front, you have the power button, DC power input, 4 USB 3.0 host ports, 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports, 1 display port, and 1 DVI display port. Also in the front are one of the antenna fixtures for your optional antenna for optional Wi-Fi, which also includes Bluetooth 4.0 support. So you would just remove this and you can insert one of the antennas. And then if you go to the side of the PC, here is where the other antenna fixture would be inserted. Also next to that is a 3.5 millimeter line out for audio, and then 2 DE9 serial COM ports. Let's go to the rear side of the PC, and here are where the 2 DIN rail mount bracket holes are located for your DIN rail mount. And then let's go view the bottom of the PC. So here is your model name and your build number. So if you want to reorder this IPC, you'll need the model name, you'll need that build number. Also next to the build number will be an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. You have the option of purchasing an embedded license or a non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at a facility for Lee's Maple Systems. So it's essentially plug and play. You can also purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will also share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. Also, the IPC2610A has a wider operating temperature than most other PCs. The range is from -40 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, now I'm going to power on the PC. So I have power supply going into the DC power input here. And I have a DisplayPort adapter going into a HDMI, which is then going into one of our industrial monitors. This is one of our Monitor 6000s, one of our 15-inch models. So I'm going to turn on my power supply and the PC will boot up and you'll see a green LED light on the PC. And there it is. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.